Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle a common problem that many people face when configuring a Samba server. The problem lies in the confusion surrounding the terminology used in network settings, specifically the terms hosts allowed and hosts denied. It seems like these terms should refer to the clients connected to the Samba server, but why are they called hosts? Let's dive into this interesting problem and clear up the confusion. In the solution provided, it's explained that both host and client are correct terms to use in this context. A host refers to a network entity, while a client describes the role a host plays when making a connection. Therefore, in the context of configuring a server like Samba, all hosts connecting to it are clients but still remain hosts in the networking sense. Using host in the naming of these parameters helps clarify that they expect some kind of host-level identifier, usually an IP address. This distinction ensures that the setting is clearly understood and applied correctly. In summary, the terminology used in configuring a Samba server can indeed be a bit confusing, but knowing the difference between host and client helps clarify things. Calling the parameters hosts allowed and hosts denied instead of clients allowed avoids ambiguity and ensures that the setting expects an IP address as an identifier. Understanding these nuances will make configuring your Samba server a smoother process. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Let's keep the conversation going.